Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel The Engine Fixer, your home for all things DI auto repair. Today, we re-tackling a big topic, how to fix a car engine problem, step by step. Whether your engine won't start, it's making strange noises, or just not running right, I'll show you how to diagnose it, and even fix some issues yourself. Let's get started. Section 1, Understanding Engine Problems. First, let's understand the basics. Your engine needs three things to run properly: fuel, air, spark. If any of these are missing or disrupted, your car either won't start, runs rough, or can even shut off while driving. Common symptoms of engine problems include: engine won't crank, engine cranks but doesn't start, stalling, dashboard warning lights, poor fuel economy, rough idle or vibrations. Section 2, Diagnosing the problem. Alright, diagnosis is key. Always start with the simple things first. Step 1. Visual inspection. Pop the hood and look for loose or disconnected hoses, leaking fluids, oil, coolant, frayed wires or broken connectors, corrosion around the battery. Step 2. Dashboard check. If the check engine light is on, use an OBD scanner. Plug it into the port under your dashboard, usually near the steering column. Once you pull the code, you can search it online or use apps like Torque or Fix to get a better idea of what's wrong. Step 3. Listen carefully. Engine cranking sound examples. Different sounds can tell you a lot. Clicking, weak battery or starter. Grinding, starter motor issues. No sound, dead battery or bad electrical connection. Section 3. Basic fixes you can do yourself. Problem 1. Dead or weak battery. Most starting issues are from a dead battery. Check for corrosion on terminals. A simple wire brush can clean that off. To jump start, connect red to positive on both cars. Black to negative on the donor car. Connect the final black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on the dead car. If your car starts after a jump, your battery may be bad or your alternator might not be charging properly. Problem 2. Bad spark plugs. Spark plugs wear out every 0 to 100 miles. If they're dirty, fouled, or damaged, you'll get misfires or rough idle. Replacing spark plugs. Remove ignition coil. Unscrew old plug. Gap the new plug. Use a gapping tool. Screw it in and reconnect coil. Problem 3. Fuel delivery. Problems checking fuel pump fuse. If you're not hearing the fuel pump buzz when you turn the key, check your fuel pump fuse or relay. No sound? You might need a new pump. Problem 4. Clogged air filter. Replacing air filter. A dirty air filter chokes your engine. If it looks black or clogged, replace it. It's usually a $1.20 fix that takes 5 minutes. Section 4. When it's something serious. If you notice these symptoms, stop and call a professional. Engine knocking or loud tapping. White, blue, or black smoke from the exhaust. Overheating despite coolant being full, oil mixing with coolant, milky oil cap, bad gasket, bad head gasket. Trying to fix these yourself without the right tools and experience can make things worse, and way more expensive. Section 5, Pro Tips for Preventing Future Engine Problems. Want to keep your engine healthy? Follow these tips. Regular oil changes, every 0 miles or as recommended. Use good quality fuel. Replace air and fuel filters on schedule. Don't ignore warning lights. Listen for unusual sounds. Keep your coolant topped off and changed periodically. And there you have it. Whether it's a dead battery, a bad spark plug, or a simple clogged filter, you can fix a lot of engine problems yourself with just a few tools and a little know-how. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more car repair videos, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or stories to share. Thanks for watching, and remember, take care of your car, and it'll take care of you. See you in the next one.